Kind regards. My name is Jimmy Mauricio Ramirez. I live in Leticia, Amazonas. I study English degree. I am in seventh semester in the career. Okay. The tool of site web I choose is Wix. This tool at SiteWay is very useful for me, and it was very useful in along of this career because I present the words with a lot of designs. For example, in here there are 7 words which I presented in along of this career in different courses. Um, I present with many designs uh, in the end of the words with beautiful pictures. I put to add some words inside the page and personal pictures with me and the other classmates. This is another word. This is all white. I can change different colors of the letters and different scissors of the letters. I can put the link for video. Sorry. uh, I can to share with another people for they help me to add some things. Uh, I put to open only for to see or or edit or invite another partner for uh, help me put information in this safe way. It is very useful. I present the words very beautiful. Um, in this word is defined the creative of the some student. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching and God bless you.